Hi guys, back in our video of trolling with balloons. Yes, like this.
Team Blue, il marche. En fait, il n'y a
Oh
pas de E,
snap!
Team
So
Blue.
look, an innocent bunny walking around, but no. Let him flow, let him flow. And then look for, I know look for other victims, like this victim. He has this
Tu me vois en
one.
rouge.
And now you'll flow. Think about it, think about it.
Bah, en fait, elle est pas à jour l'application, on peut pas la mettre.
Let it grow, let it grow.
Est-ce qu'elle est en 20.5 Ah putain, des ballons.
Ah, ça n'a rien, c'est
Let
mon
it
Les gars, je pourrais bien me tirer une lance sur ma gueule.
Voilà, moi je suis en moi.
That's what
Monsieur, vendez tout ça, monsieur, je vais te lancer encore. Vous avez 3 personnes, s'il vous plaît, pour un TikTok. 3 personnes pour un TikTok.
Moi,
C'est quoi le code? C'est quoi le code? C'est quoi le code?
Ah, hell no, this thing sucks. Make it flow, make it flow. That's how you make it float, make it float. And that's what I say. Make it flow, make it flow, make everything flow. Like this little bag that weighs over 100 kilograms. Let it float, let it float. I say let it float, let it float, let it float.
FR, RP.
You're not getting away, buddy. Oh, you think you can run? Take a balloon. Okay, now let's go in public. No. No, I'm not doing the little girl thing. Okay, so we're joining a public lobby. Let's see. Oh,
Guys, I did another giveaway just now.
Made it glow, let it grow.
Mine 876. Guys,
Bro, where are you?
I got nothing from that one giveaway. Oh shit!
Hey, I got you.
You got nothing. You got nothing.
I got some.
Bro, look at me. Please. I just need to say to you, let it grow. I am the Lorax. Let it to make you both tired.
When you did that last giveaway,
But when you did the last giveaway with the
Then you were getting it. Let it
okay,
grow.
peace out, guys. We'll
I am Pennywise. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
can you get this balloon off?
Somebody back dropped their bag because I didn't let it grow with them.
Guys, can someone please give me a new grappler? I'll give you these. I'll give you these with new grapplers.
Little bro, stop begging.
Dog, you
I
are
won't-
like 2 years old.
First of all, Black, why are you talking, bro?
Yo!
You sound like
I love my
1 years old,
balloon.
bro. Why are you talking to anyone, huh?
Bro, you
Did I
gotta
say
try
you
these
talk-
balloons.
Bro,
These balloons.
what the fuck? Bro,
These
look
balloons.
at
These crazy, bro. Slow down, let it grow.
Do you know how to get this? Dude, do you know how to get this? It's by usually actually like putting a like a.
Bro! Stop! No! Is that a glue gun? Oh no. What the fuck is a glue gun?
Bro, why does everyone have something rare?
New one, cause well, it's not really new, but
I am the king of Lorax.
I just have this
Cassie,
because
what?
I
What is that? What is that?
tried to put the
What is that?
so
Yeah.
this bag was actually from this.
Look, I'm afloat. I'm floating. Wee. Bro, you wanna try? Okay, one balloon. It won't do that much harm.
What the hell?
I
You want more balloons or not?
All right, so today we've gotten now I can get my own balloons. I can get my own balloons.
I'm doing a lot of real stuff today, guys. I've gotten the snowball.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Let it flow. Let
gay
it flow.
Wait, let me get one more. Oh,
It's fucking me.
Bro, you're not Timothy. Get down from there.
I'm gonna let it in the deep end.
how many balloons can you put on me? Let's see how much balloons you can put on me. No, do more.
Okay.
Bear hunted mansion key.
Oh, I do. I got you.
Can I
Let's make you float to the moon.
No one just randomly has a haunted mansion.
Float.
I just need one for
I do. I have a haunted mansion key.
Float, Lola.
I have like 3.
You said nobody does.
I have 3.
Okay, now I'm as big as you. So now I put in more balloons. And now I need to become bigger again.
You guys want to join the Attack on Titan?
I just need to hold it out.
Okay, the code is A.
You need to become bigger. The bigger is the better.
Think he is.
So you need a key.
You need a haunted mission.
I got
Yeah.
two.
Good boy.
Thank you, bro.
AS.
I just need to take a picture.
Okay, let's try it. Let's try it.
Yeah, now float. Float, big boy.
Wait. I'm gonna take a picture of both.
Please give it back.
Wee.
I don't want this.
Yeah, I'm floating.
I just got free 2 haunted mansion keys. I just got free keys.
Do you want? Hey, hold up. Do you want a landmine and
keys?
Yo, can I trade for that?
Yeah, I'm like, nah, he just robbed me out of one of my haunted mansion keys.
Yo, I can do it. Bro,
he
I
just
have a whole
robbed us.
backpack. Bro, I got a whole backpack full. I've been taking people's keys all day.
No, bro.
lie, bro.
Take them out. Can I see them, please? I want to see them.
I don't even need it. Look, I'm not gonna say I'm rich. I'm not gonna say I'm broke. Because I'm used to having at least 40 mil. Nah, I don't really need it, but you're just a stupid fuck. You're the type that gives it to me, you stupid fuck.
Yeah,
Fine. I won't place it on your head.
Take it off.
You're gay.
What the
fucking
skippity
dumbass.
toilet?
Please balloons. Yeah,
shut the fuck
yeah,
up.
please balloons. Make bro flow.
I can't go on.
Someone give me a
I can.
There's not floating in the retarded air.
Get on.
I say
I'm
let
popping
it
his
grow.
balloon.
Let it grow. Let it shrivel up and let it grow. You can't stop.
Give me a flower.
Plant the seed inside of us. That's what it made it for.
No balloons. I said no balloons.
No, I heard I want balloons.
It's a grapple.
Oh, you
No
don't want
balloons for
Hey,
you.
the blaze. Come here.
But I like balloons.
If you ever wanted a
I like my balloons.
Come here.
You ready to fly?
Gray.
Chili, you ready to fly?
you can
Ready to fly?
Can someone give me a saddle? Got a landmine and kill
Float
us.
with me, Chelly. Stay still. I just need you. You know, I'm making green.
Pop this balloon.
Get on my
Pop the balloon. Pop the balloon.
Gray, get on.
It won't pop.
Wait, stay still. Stay still.
What? Does anybody know what a store pin is?
Gray. Gray, come on.
I'm the one who spawned in that balloon. I'm the. I cannot die, guys.
In there.
Oh yeah.
Get on my back.
Hey, who wants to
Stay
ride
still.
my ass?
Stay still. Stay still.
Who wants to
Stay.
ride me?
Just stay still.
Spear.
Stay still.
Me. I want a kaboom spear.
If y'all stay still,
Kaboom spear.
Get on my back.
Hi.
Get on my back.
float,
I
big
like
boy.
my balloons.
Float, big boy. float, you stuck, bro.
Just give it to me.
You ready to float? Charlie,
You can put a
Charlie, yeah, you ready to
Hey,
float?
can you put a balloon on my boom spear?
You want to float? Come with me then. I'm causing the havoc.
I have 700,000. I have 700,000.
Wait, stay still.
Oh my god, why am
Who's
I
breaking
flying?
the balloons? That makes me mad.
You didn't make them.
I'm a shepherd.
What?
Hey, do you like my balloons?
Why can I fly around now?
I'm a
Wait,
pretty
stay still.
princess.
Stay still.
on
Stay still,
star.
or else. You know what? You're floating with Charlie. Stay still.
Yay, I'm a pretty
flying.
princess. It's following me.
I'm a pretty
Stay still, big boy. Come on, come down.
It's a gadget. Oh yeah, it is a gadget.
Oh, you said come
Come
down.
Come down, come down, come on. You're floating. Float.
That bro.
See down, go down, go down. I need to give everybody a balloon. You ready to go on a balloon?
There's so many saddles.
You can't move
Someone
after,
help
after
me.
you get the balloon. Balloon time. Oh, hail balloon. Oh, hail balloon. Oh, hail balloon.
Balloons on me.
Okay, they need a grappling down. Hello, big boy. You're not meant to this club. Okay. And you don't want a balloon, so y'all get it too.
Dark green guy. Ayo, dark
JK.
green. Ayo, now remember me from mining?
More balloons to make them float.
Where is he?
I'm right here, bro.
I got pop you. Wait for me.
Forget it about fake and stuff.
Try to get these ones.
Big down.
Yo, who wants to ride? Yo, who wants to
I
ride?
want to ride. I
Yo,
want
who
to
wants to
ride.
ride?
I want to
Who wants to
ride.
ride?
I want to ride.
Come over here.
Me.
Take the
Bro, look how off gut or something. Okay.
Mr. Guy.
Wait, I've actually got up. I've actually got up.
Get this balloon off me.
Alright, all my balloons are gone. There's this one balloon that's my pet. You should check it out.
Oh, well, guys, ponies will get one. Forget it, but Daisy, dogs, bikinis.
Oh, I see you.
Stay still.
Y'all
Big
check
boy,
it out.
big boy, come down.
It's Mr.
I am a plane.
Yo, who wants to ride?
It's Mr. Balloon.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yay, I love balloons.
Like, subscribe,
Balloons
guys.
for life.
Oh, snap. We got the balloons. We got the balloons, bro. We got the balloons. Oh, poop.
Y'all, you will never pop my soul up. You will never get this body.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was my body.
That was my body to clap.
Look, big boy. No, your balloon's
Popped my
popped.
balloon.
I don't know. I can help you, bro. I can help you. Just stay still. Stay still, and I'll help you with your balloon problem. Good boy. Boom. Boom. Okay.
Guys, what's a free hamburger?
Whoa.
Butterfly.
Someone
Save me.
in the sky with my head.
Ah.
You're
Someone
flying.
take them
Can
off.
someone pop my
Like a
balloon?
free stick.
Can
No,
someone
we
pop my
can't.
balloon?
I don't feel
You'll
like it.
never catch me without him.
You can go mining.
Oh, never catch you. Oh, I almost just sniped the balloon. Unless if I die. That one still counts.
Stay still, buddy.
You, I'm gonna hypnotize you. Go that way.
Okay. Oh no, I know how much damage those do, bud.
What the hell was that? I thought that was a ghost for a second.
Bro, stay still. You have something on you. You have 2 stuff on you, bro. Now you have 3. Now you have 4.
Chat, are my balloons so explosive?
Yeah, Chat.
Yo, dude, chat. Do you like my balloons? Do you like my balloons?
Yeah, exactly. This guy ungrateful for balloons. That's crazy.
Yeah, he's just rude.
Yeah, bro.
He doesn't like the drip because he's soft.
He's cooked now. He's
Why are my balloons popping?
Float.
At least I got this.
I'll make you float.
Chat, did you see my balloon pet?
Float.
What the hell?
Like your ASMR of me eating.
Guys, like and subscribe. Oh wait, this last guy.
ASMR of me eating teeth.
No! People may float. You got that, bro? And you're gonna be the next victim to float. You ready to float, buddy? No? Float. You float. No! Bad boy! He's taking up balloons.
Hey guys, who wants to keep my damper? I'm gonna die. I'm getting the
I wanna run away.
You're not surviving, buddy.
I want away.
tasty
I don't need to do this.
cheese.
Hey there. I'm sorry y'all needed to witness that. Float. I'm so.
Give me one,
Y'all want to float out 2 more. Float.
Make me float, or else.
Who's asking?
Dude, I need more. I need more.
I'm gonna buy.
Ready,
I just need more.
Float. Let's celebrate and further.
I need to float.
I say let it grow.
Break
Let
his
it grow.
balloons.
Let it grow. Let it shrimp up and let it show. How dare you shooting at
I have
him?
one balloon still alive. I'm gonna AC-130 him. Oh,
I got eyes on the target. Repeat, I got eyes on the target.
oh, free bag.
Exactly. Take the black bag. It's my trap, boy. It's my trap. It's my trap, boy. Float.
You have one balloon left, and I'm gonna break
Float
it.
bag.
Help me. I can help you, Johnny.
Guys,
help
let him just die.
I got it. Idea.
Shelby, revive me. Shelby, revive me.
No.
Revive me.
I got you, bro.
No, I'm gonna clap his body.
And. Stop.
You know, I'm gonna follow him.
Stop.
With 2 balloons.
Stop.
Now you own it, little baby. Take your balloons. You ready? You have
You're
no
gonna watch as I clap your body.
You have no weapons. No weapons. You got that? No weapons.
No.
You have no
Yeah, but I'm
weapons.
taking him with me. I'm taking him
No.
with me.
No, please.
Somebody shoot my balloons.
No, guys, don't. He's a mean guy. He does not like balloons.
Fine. We vibing, boys. We vibing.
Break my balloons, boys.
I will only break it if you apologize to the kid and give my bag back.
I'm sorry, Mr.
Yeah. That's me, bro. That's me.
Let's go get him.
Now, bye-bye. Let's say goodbye.
I'ma go. I got you, bro. I'll get you out.
Where's my balloon?
I'll get you.
Stand still.
It's okay.
Hell no.
still.
I smell something weird. You only have 2 balloons on you.
Yo, put the on right now. Put it
2
on.
balloons are not allowed. We need more than 2. For yell type.
I took off the balloon.
What are you feeling
Oh,
like?
it's blind.
Extra?
I feel like,
Extra balloons.
I feel like,
More?
yeah,
Okay, more.
more.
Coming up. Now
Yeah,
go
more,
down,
more,
go down,
more.
Go as you can. You need more?
Oh yeah, you'll need to become big for this.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Stop breaking balloons, guys. If y'all
Haha, you miss. You suck. That's.
I hit one.
No, you only hit.
Come
zero.
down, bro. Come down.
Pop his balloons, everybody.
Ah, hell no! You don't pop from
Who wants to ride? Yo, who wants to ride? Who wants to ride?
You're about to float with them.
Who wants to ride? Who wants to
I
ride?
need extra
Who
box.
wants to ride?
Please, I need a box.
I need to take it off. I took it off.
Check
Have
it
a
out.
box.
I'm floating
A
in
box.
with my balloon.
Check this out.
Go, escape plan.
Where to win?
Oh,
I'm not going.
Chat, you will never
Wait.
find me without my balloon.
we just need 2 boxes and then use this. And
Bro,
we're
boy.
I got all the balloons off.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I have a saddle. Do you have a box?
Small guy, I need to talk to you.
I got all the balloons off.
Do you have a box?
Who wants to ride? Yo, who
Oh
wants
wait,
to
can you
ride?
get this one? Stay still, stay still. Oh my
Do you have a
god.
box?
Who wants to
Do you have a
ride?
box?
No, heck no, not you, bud.
Okay,
Who
I
wants
need
to
to become
ride?
big somehow.
Who wants to ride? Who wants to ride?
Oh guys, let's talk to this little kid. Yo, hello. Hello.
No,
Little
heck no, I
fella.
know what you're trying to do, bud.
Ow.
I know, you have
Yep.
balloons, but I don't look that much dumb.
Oh hell no, then I'm getting
No, I got a rocket.
Come on guys, you want some
I'm
balloons?
out of money.
Yeah, let me float, let me float.
I got one.
Purple, do you have boxes? Do you have
No, he found me.
Float, let me float. I say let it float. Grab this, grab this.
You'll never find me.
Come on, just grab this. Grab it.
You'll never
Grab
find me,
it,
you
so
ugly
fun.
raccoon.
No! Wait, I can control the
You're a
floating.
loser, raccoon.
I want a box. Just give me a box.
Am I a loser?
Raccoon, you will never
I
find
have
me.
a box. Please, just a box.
Wait, let me find that kid and get him. You a cooked kid. You are cooked. Just so like you'll know, you're in danger, bro.
You have a box. Please, I need a box.
You will never
Are
find me.
you sure? You need a ride to go get that guy over there? You
Yeah.
need a ride for... My bag.
I have a right.
You need
According
a ride, bro? You're a raccoon. You need a...
Oh, I forgot. I have my little grapple.
Yeah, go for
Let
it.
it grow.
Yo, it's coming for you. You might want to get on me. It's coming for you, bud.
Oh shit.
Wanna come in? I can put you some high.
I'm going on a shit in my favorite going 95. We're gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna go find him. Kidnap time. Kidnap session number 1. After this, we're going home, boys. I landed. Where are y'all? Little Timmy, little Jim Bob. I can see you.
You can?
Crazy part is, I actually see you. Well, you know I'm in space map. I can see.
Not in space map anymore, dipshit.
What?
Not in space map anymore.
I know.
Yeah, man. You're the guy for looking for. Hey, hey, don't.
Where is he? Tell me I won't let you float. Oh, there are you, little pinso.
He found me. I ran right. You'll never balloon me.
Let it grow. I can show blue weapon so. Plant the seed inside of us. That don't know is how it works. Say let it grow.
I will pull a landmine out of my stash and blow us all up.
Boom, boom, phone. Die.
Hey, you're it.
Man. My little
At least
stash
that's
of
my cat
balloons.
now.
You can't take my stash.
No, I need the grappler.
Bye.
My rebel now. Skibbity dub dub. Who's ready for some balloons? Float boy.
No. Yeah.
I got a secret. You're probably it. I can
Anybody need a ride to go reach the black guy?
Yeah,
Anybody?
I have a right.
Oh my god.
Hop in. You can go catch the guy. Hop in
Where's
my
he?
bag. Hop in my bag. You don't want. Hop in.
You sure I can
It's more
trust you?
faster. It's more faster with me, bud. It's more faster with me. You just trust me.
What
don't
about you
trust
getting
me?
my bag?
Okay.
Take it. Lifetime experience. Bah. How dare you?
Oh, I understand now. You want to take you to a black guy, right?
I quit you. I'm going to find him. I see you. You're not in the obstacle course, I see.
You'll never find me.
Wait, why did I actually see you? I'm gonna make you flow, bro. Oh wait, I actually just saw you. Oh wait. The power of the balloons.
Are you sure you can see me? Yeah, you sure about the bud? I'm about to poop your pants.
Am I gonna get anything if I see you? Oh, I see a little trick. You're back in Space Map.
I'm not in space, bro. You still think I'm in space? I'm in the overworld right now, little bro. You're in the wrong dimension.
You're in the overworld.
Yeah, I'm in the
Crap, that means I know where you are. Thank you for the free hint.
Dog, you're never gonna find me.
I know there's one glitch. And wait, let me. Yeah, you probably.
Stop stuttering, little bro. Finish your sentence.
I think I see you. Guys, our last goal is to find them and get them floating. I love this. Yo, bro. Are you in mines?
We're in here, yeah, you big jip.
We're in the new year. What? Not a hint. You're in the lake? I'm gonna fall into my death.
Bro, we're at the lake. Where are you? Fuck this.
No, let's make him float. Let's make bro a little float. Nobody's at lake, bro. Dude, there is. Nobody's at loot. Oh! So that's your little trick. It actually falls for
I'm
it.
back at spawn, you retard. Come get us.
Little retard. 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 You little retard.
I stole his grappler. We're good. He's got another one.
You still grappler, hurry up!
Run, he's got a grappler.
Little retard. Little retard. Who's still a retard, buddy? Ah, ooh, I love this, bro.
Oh, it goes. What? Oh, I slipped.
Little bro never dies. Look at this little series.
God, no, you put it on.
Don't pull
I took it off.
No, we need to get another balloon on top.
Run, run. He doesn't have any balloons.
I have more balloons actually in this little backpack. No, my little balloon. Oh, I got my. You took them. Wait, I can just kill y'all. I can just kill y'all. Ready to float? Georgie.
Hey, yo, pull one on me.
why don't
Yo,
you?
pull one on me.
Fight me, bro. Fight me. Fight me
Hey, yo,
like
pull
mad.
one on me.
I'll sing it.
Sing, sing, sing.
Yo, pull one on me. Yo, Raccoon, pull one on me.
You
It's
sure?
fine. Yeah, it's fine. Put me two. Put me
Nah.
two more.
Nah, we will be wasting. We need to get the other two.
Folly.
No, my little bag.
Put up, get
No,
your
my
head.
bag. No, my bag. My balloons. My balloons. My balloons.
Take the balloon. Balloon him. Balloon him. Oh, I missed.
Stupid. Stupid eye monkey. You ready to flow? You ready?
Pull one on me. It's fine. Yeah, pull one on me. It's fine.
Nah, I'm good. You're just breaking them. Peace.
Oh my God.
We're not Mary Poppins.
Mary. No, my balloons. You know, I'm floating too out of space to see how it is.
But I'm
You're out of balloons.
I think we should get going. Like now.
Yeah. Oh, he just came in.
Plant the seed inside
Go,
her.
go, go,
That's
go,
how
he's
you
right
know
there.
it's made of wood.
I can't grapple. Why is this grappler stuck? Ah, I got sent flying. Wait.
I know where you are, guys. You are in a naughty place, and I don't like space people. You got that?
He knows where we are.
Hey, put to your back, please. Come on.
Oh, shit, he's here.
Get it out of the car. I'ma get out of here.
Run!
Move a little reach.
Run!
Move.
Oh my God.
Alright, fight. Let's fight, boy. There's battle.
Floor it.
No.
Sing it.
Make sing.
Oh, not the chorus.
Oh, kill the cord. No.
Oh, hold up. If I just keep exploding them, I can kill them.
No.
No, stop.
Stop.
Alright, get ready.
I'm gonna try to explode one.
Keep breaking it. Keep breaking the cores. Break the cores.
But something happened. Something happened.
Oh my god! Break the cores!
Break
Hit the
it.
cores.
Skibbity dub dub. We agreed on a deal. You need to float. That's the deal. Skibbity dub.
No!
Slash.
Sing, 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 sing.
Sing, sing. You just killed your little friend.
Run.
Hop in.
Oh, I'm on. No, he's on! Run!
No.
Oh, we're gonna die! Oh!
You really think that will kill me? No. He has the final. He has a grappler.
Run!
You don't think you can run from me?
I'll drive!
No. I get out.
No, he's on!
Skibbity dop dop. No.
Hey, wait.
I saw that, bro. I'm not dumb.
Shit.
He's gonna kill me.
You can hide for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, you're black. You're black. You're black.
I'm singing him!
God damn it.
No, I missed. I really want to get on.
I gotta get it. Alright, I'm gonna grapple on. Keep going.
Yes, go! Floor it! Oh, he's on. He's on.
You can miss the flowers.
Hey, wait.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
No, don't. Those are dangerous, bro.
Yes. Yo, not yet.
He's gonna explode the car!
No, tragic.
Say what?
Say less.
Ow.
Hey, you ugly raccoon!
No. Hey, I didn't die. Yo, float with me. Come on. I'm bringing it back to life. You can't die yet. It's not allowed. Baby, I'm gonna help you.
Alright, I'm gonna get inside the car. You whack the crap out of it.
Tonight. I love this game. You put on balloons on everything. Even like people.
Hit the car. Hit the car, you ugly raccoon.
I know. Let's gonna go around.
He's coming.
I know.
Oh my god!
Head about.
Hit the car, raccoon. Break the car.
Nah, I'm
Kaboom
good.
the car!
Kaboomzy. I survived you.
Where's your tower? Watch it crumble. Feel
the power.
Hey, wait.
Hey, yo, chill. Oh, wait, I forgot you could buy stuff.
Drake.
Oh, come on, bro, come on. If you do that, it will end us all. Stupid out monkey. Stupid.
Revive me.
Okay, I got you, bro. I got you.
Me, please.
Oh, wait. Just make sure there's nobody around.
Revive me.
Done.
Yo, wait. Wait, look, I promise. Look. What about me? You'll be teammates. Yes. You'll be teammates.
Guys, who wants to see me?
Okay,
do cool
Wait.
Shimmy, Drake. I fall on the law, Drake. I make the shot.
You shimmy on!
Wait, I just
Drake. Hey, yo, hurry up, come, hurry. God, win.
Yo, he's not here.
No. Just trying to sort of flies. Yeah. I know every move you make. You're probably gonna go and spawn now. I think so. Going in the spaceship. Oh my god, I'm landing. But
Raccoon, you're the only.
oh, y'all are still in space? Let me look around.
Bro, you're the only person in code.
They left. Oh man. Okay, but that's it for the video. Peace, guys.